Missing someone with all your heart. This is the 3 ingredients: the bukalan, pandan, coconut. Okay. So of course, kailangan natin yung bowl for our mixing thing. And then I mix this fresh cream. Okay, that is also 200 ml, and another one of these. So all in all, it's 600 ml. So this is very easy, guys. It's only like, actually, my inspiration for this is dalawa lang ang ingredients, but I want to, you know, I'll try my own version. I want to try like lagyan ko siya ng coconut shred. Lagyan ko siya ng ganito, which is coconut sports string. Kumbaga, yung meat of the coconut, it was shredded. And I use this buko pandan condensed cream. So what we do now is we make this cream stiffer. So I use the electric thing until it's stiff. Looks like a lot, right? So as you can see, it's getting stiff, right? Medyo, ano niya, nag-perform na siya ng whipped cream. So as long as this is stiff, or maging curd siya, ilalagay natin yung buko pandan cream condensed milk. So actually, yung nakita kong recipe is only 2 ingredients, but I try to improvise. I want it to make it very, very like native Filipino ice cream, which consists of the buko shredded, which is called the meat of the coconut, which is shredded. Yes, look at that. So it's getting stiff, right? Look at the thing. Okay, so you have to sit aside a little bit. So this is really nice. Look at that. So you opened it, it's like all very clean. And what we do now is we fold this one here. So I'm using the spatula here. So we pull this thing here. Okay. So it's very easy, right? Very simple. I think this is really great when you have a party and you don't have you don't have in mind what to serve to your visitors, or this is very easy, and it's just you can find in your kitchen counter. This is already sweetened, and it's being preserved with sugar. It tastes really good. So I don't want to put everything. Yun na. So like fold it here. Look at how beautiful is that, right? So continue stirring it. Okay, and I have ice cream. Look at that. Okay, let me try again. Perfect. The sweetness is really perfect. So I have this container, a tight lid, and I have to put here, and I will freeze it overnight. I put in the freezer for overnight, and we'll see the result tomorrow. Look at that. It looks already like an ice cream, right? Wow. So simple. 3 ingredients, and it's so cheap. Hi guys, so this is now the ice cream. We're going to split this. Look at that. Ooh. Let me see. Look at that. Wow, this is so good. You can see the lump. Oh, wow.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.